Hello, you are once welcome again. And today we are on perimeter and area of a square Perimeter and area of square. Perimeter and area of a square or square. So this is our square shape. That is our square shape. And we all know square. So a square is a special rectangle with all its sides being equal. A square is a special rectangle with all its sides being equal. And the diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. And one thing we have to know is the diagonals also bisect each other of the opposite angles. And a square has 4 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. So the sides are equal. I might say it can be equal. It can be the same as the rectangle, because with the rectangle it has 4-sided figure. So the square also has 4-sided figure, and it has a rectangle right angle of 90 degrees. Let's continue. So today we are to know the perimeter and area of a square. So perimeter of a square is 4 times length of one side. 4 times length of one side. That is the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times length of one side. 4 times length of one side, which is 4 times L, which is 4 times L, or 4L. That is the perimeter of a square. Let's check the the area of a square. The area of a square also will give us length of one side square. The area of a square will also give us area of a square. Will also give us length of one side square. Length of one side, all into brackets square, which is L square. That is the area of a square. So we are going to use these formulas to solve the questions that will follow. So question 1 or example 1, we should find the area and perimeter of a square of side 6 centimeters. So find the area and perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square of side 6 centimeters. Of side 6 centimeters. Follow what are doing concentrates, and let's start. So we will first find the perimeter. And as I said over here, perimeter is 4 times L, which is 4 times length of one side. And the area of a square is length of one side square. So we are all to solve. So follow me. And in the question it says we should find the area and perimeter of the square of side, which is 6 centimeters. Which is 6 centimeters. So with the perimeter, it is 4 times L and 4 centimeters times 6, or 4 times 6 centimeters. The 6 here is the L, which is the length. So whenever we are doing multiplication, I always tell people or learners that we always use repeated addition. In multiplication, we are using repeated addition. So we will multiply 4 by 1, which will give us 4. And with the repeated addition, because we are doing the 4 times, we are going to add 4 to this 4 to get the 4 times 2. 4 times 2, we don't know. Since we are using the repeated addition, we will add 4 to it, which will give us 8. And 4 multiply 3, we don't know. We will add the 4 to the 8, which will give us 12. 4 times 4, we don't know. We will add 4 to it, which will give us 16. 4 times 5, we don't know. We will add 4 to it, which will give us 20. 4 times 6, we don't know. We will add 4 to it, which will give us 24. So it means 4 times the L, which is 4 times the length, will give us 24 centimeters square. The reason it's a square because, 24 centimeters, because it is perimeter. 24 centimeters. So it means we have found the perimeter of the square. Let's go to the area. The area is L square. The area is L square. So it means we are going to multiply the length, then we will square it. We are going to multiply the length together. So it says we should find the side of what? 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters will give us, we are using the repeated one. 6 times 1 will give us 6. 6 times 2 will give us, plus 6 will give us 12. 6 times 3 plus 6 will give us 18. 6 times 4 plus 6 will give us 24. 6 times 5 plus 6 will give us 30. And 6 times 6 plus 6 over here will give us 36. So it means 6 centimeters times 6 centimeters will give us 36 centimeters square. Thank you. I hope when I give you some example or a work for you to do for me, you will be able to do it so that next time you can bring your answers, then we do it together. Thank you.